Okay, this faucet, it's really old. Waters are dripping all over the place. This one doesn't work anymore. The water just drips out. So I shut off the main water valve, and we're going to replace this with a new one. So these are the equipments I'm going to use. This is size 1.5. See that? You can find this at Home Depot. And some sealant tape for the trimmings. Okay, I'm gonna try to remove this. Okay, please note that I'm not a pro, and I just did enough research to able to remove this. There's two kind of faucet. We're gonna replace this. So first you need two of this, and we're gonna protect this pipe right here, this copper pipe, from any break-ins. I'm just letting you know I'm not a pro. Just did enough research to replace this myself. And okay, let's see if we can get this done. You just gotta be careful because these are old. Oh, okay, cool. 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 It was tight at first, but I'm able to remove it. Okay. There you go. I'm just gonna try to drain out all the water out, and maybe wipe the thread right there. And then, yeah, this is what I have. This is an old one. I'm thinking about just fixing it, but you know what? It's really loose. Look at it, wobbles. So might as well replace the whole thing. You know. Okay, I'm just gonna wipe this. Hopefully this works. Hopefully this works. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean it. Okay, I'm just gonna dry it up. Okay, and now I'm gonna try to put a sealant tape. It's a sealant tape. It's a PTFE thread seal tape, and it's 1/2 by 260. And that's good. Just gonna do a hand tight. Oh. Hand tight it. Do one turn. I think we're good. That's good. Okay, not too tight. And I'm going to show you. I still have enough thread in here to make some adjustments. So we'll see. Let's see if this works. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's see if it works. Sure, no leakage. Okay guys, is that normal? I didn't open it all the way, but it squirts out. So okay, I have the hose connected. It looks like I don't see any leak, which is a good sign. Right? No leak. No leak. Yeah, I think we're good.